What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and we're at Muscle Cars at the Strip, seeing if Lethal cannot be the slowest, fastest 6th gen out there. Let's get to it. So what's going on, guys? Matt here. We are out here at Muscle Cars at the Strip. I got Lethal Camaro back here. She's been my bane of my nightmare. It's been 2 years since we've really pushed this car. Obviously, COVID was a big issue. We took it out a couple times. We supported the Red List event and just basically ran 9.7s, which isn't great. And we're trying to do better here. And I'm not a professional race car driver. I don't go out all the time like some of these faster guys do and have the experience. And I'm an enthusiast. You guys have been a part of the channel watching it for a long time, and I'm just learning, and I'm having a good time doing it. So we're out here, qualifying rounds, Friday, Saturday. Really, I don't even know if they were qualifying. They were almost like test and tune, but they had so many different classes going. We got the car out. We've had it so turned down because the 8th mile tracks and stuff, they don't have that great a prep, and we've just been spinning the tires like madmen. We're out here with NHRA style prep at Muscle Cars at the Strip at Las Vegas Motor Speedway, and the car is dead hooking, and we're just adding more and more and more. We haven't pulleyed it down to the smallest pulley that we've run before, and my personal best out here is a 9.4, so we're hoping that we can eventually get there. Today is Sunday. I'm gonna pepper in a few pieces because I felt the qualifying rounds, the car wasn't ready off the trailer, so we had to see what it was gonna do, and it just didn't do great. It did like a 10, the transmission was going all crazy. It did an 11. And then it jumped to a 9.8, and then today we just ran a 9.7. We expected a little bit more out of it, but we're literally throwing more timing and more spark and more airflow at the car because the track prep is on point here and it can handle it and we can get back into the power. So we're hoping to get a personal best, if not better. If I could go away with a 9.4 or faster, I'm gonna be really happy. First round qualifiers, I ended up going against a Hellcat Red Eye from MBR. Apologies, guys, I don't know your shop all that well, but I got the win. He blew up, it looked like a drive shaft or something like that, so. I mean, I got the win because I made AB and stayed within my number. Right now, my number on the window is a 9.4. Depending on how we run the next round, might up that number. We'll see what we're able to track. I just don't want to go over because they're doing bracket style. So you have to hit your number or stay below it. If you go over, you're basically out unless they red light or go over by more. So it's weird. It's a weird dynamic. It's the first time I've ever done it. Actually, this is the first time I've ever competition raced my car, and even then I don't even know if I want to call it a competition, but there is a trophy involved and there's a chance to win something here, so it could be really fun. So we made it past the first round, first time ever. My reaction time was terrible, 0.3. We're gonna improve upon that next round and go from there. We're going for round 2, plan of attack. The upgrade was going from the 3.0 pulley to a 2.75, so we're basically adding 2 pounds of boost. The DA here has shot up to about 3,600, so it's not that great. We're expecting to see about 21, 22 pounds of boost. Hopefully that's what happens. So here we go. So we're over here in the lane getting ready for our next pass, and I drew the bye, so I'm going to the final round no matter what. So this is super exciting. We got the car turned up, we put the party pulley on, so we get a free pass to see what the car is gonna do. Doesn't matter if I eclipse my time, as long as I don't leave before the tree goes off, cross the center line, or hit a wall. Yeah, I think those are the only things that disqualify me. Well, our bypass launch was good, but the car decided to auto shift and skip 3rd gear and went right to 4th. And then I got all thrown out and thought the car wasn't gonna shift, so I just got off it. So it wasn't a great pass, but I didn't go into the wall. I didn't leave before the tree, and I didn't cross the center line, so we're in the finals. Hopefully this next pass goes as planned, and we get close to our number. The car I'm racing is basically I think it's a stock ZL1, pretty sure. No offense to them if they have mods or anything like that, but she's running her times consistently and has all day, so it's gonna be interesting. We'll see how this plays out. Well, we didn't get first, but at least we got second. Unfortunately, the transmission decided to do its own thing, shifted from third to fifth instantly, and you know, tried to get back in it. I was starting to catch back up, and then the car just went into reduced power mode. So, I mean, how many air codes was in that log? Like every air code related to just about anything popped. So, is what it is. Got some more stuff to learn, got some more stuff to adjust and fix and figure out why things are happening the way they are, but it's been good. So thanks for checking out the video, guys. Huge shout out to Red Barn Racing for making it out and helping me at Muscle Cars of the Strip. Big shout out to my wife, kids, family, everybody, all the friends that came, Maple Fed, Tribal SS, their families, Katie, our babysitter, just good times. So it feels good to be back in the car, feels good to be back out. It's been a long time coming, and look for a lot more of good times. Well, we just took photos. Look, first place right here.
Oh no!
Congratulations!
Oh my goodness!
She did so good. And you know, if I have to complain about losing to someone, at least I lost to a ZL1. Okay, so Chevy still took for 1 and number 2 in the ultimate class.
Yes, we did.
So, but I thought I was getting a trophy, but I guess we get money.
I can keep the money.
Oh, okay. No.
Don't worry.
So we're gonna find out what that is, and I'll be back with you guys. And we got the RV, getting ready to head home, and we're at swipe number 1. And swipe number 2, and keep in mind this is after putting 25 gallons in it just 2 days ago. So, close to 400 bucks. Well, it's been crazy. We had to pack up real quick. Got the payment made 350 bucks from taking second place. So that's pretty cool. But that's it. That's all. Muscle Cars at the Strip. Great event. Hope they do this again next year. If you guys are interested in taking your car for autocross, drag racing, car show, or just hanging out, come on down next year. It's usually Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So until next time, guys. See you on the road.